Hello traders, good morning, good noon, afternoon. Vladimir here. This is the European session live market review, 18th of January 2017. Busy day fundamentally started with the claimant count change in Britain and with average earnings. It goes through the CPI and the core CPI in US. Cash rate and the statement in Canada, press conference to follow. Fed Chair Yellen to have her speech later today, and the unemployment rate with employment change in Australia. Very busy fundamental day. Now let's take a look how it looks like on the chart and what are the opportunities to follow. We started to follow a few things yesterday, so let's have a catch up and see where do we stand with them. Euro pound, after creating this convergence, we are looking for sales. On the 1 hour chart, we got now the corrective cycle, which we are looking to go and trade. We are looking on this area or this area to follow. So we wanted to make this climb. We draw the trend line, and with the breakout, we are going to trade the move down with expectations of a special cycle to complete itself or triple cycle to draw itself. So one more leg to the downside here at least. So that's for the euro pound. Pound dollar doing the same story. 4 hour chart convergence looks good, behaves good. We wanted to drop down back to this zone and start looking for buys. I would suggest, because so many pounds provide so many nice opportunities, I would suggest not to uh, um, put all the eggs in one basket, and on some of them maybe just go with small invests for long run, because the pound pairs are great opportunities for the long run. Now let's have a look on the other pairs which are drawing opportunities. CAD yen, the one we followed from yesterday, got this move up, and as suggested yesterday, we need two waves down. We got them here, and with the breakout of the trend line, we got them with new low even, which is of course acceptable, and with the break of the trend line we got the rally. If you want to play safe, we want to go and climb above this high, complete here the convergence, get the pullback to the middle, and start collecting the buys. And we are talking of this range still. We are still on the bottom of the range, and this is still a double corrective cycle on a daily chart. All the plan here is relevant as long as the last low holds. If you are already long with the break of these two trend line as we have suggested yesterday, and great, you have already great risk reward. You already got at least 1 to 2 on this rally, and that should be paying well. You can already break even and put your stop to break even to the entry, free the risk from the trade. Next one on the list is going to be the New Zealandian Canadian, which starts to be very interesting opportunity. According to the weekly cycle and its rally, we got this convergence, so we are looking for sales. We're on a sell cycle. On a daily chart, we got the move down, and now we have the correction, and now we are on the top of this range. We got one false break here. We might get another false break on the top, and it turned to be a range. Two waves on the 4 hour chart, so we are in a good sell zone already, and which means we can start to look for sell opportunities. We got double waves on the 1 hour chart as well. So we are after sales on the 15 minutes. Now we got one false break right here. We got another false break right here. We want to get lower below this low, pull back, and we are after sales. Now, of course, according to, first of all, targets will be according to this double cycle. Later on, according to the daily bottom of the range. Later on, according to potentially another leg down on the weekly. According to the statistical dates, if we take a look here, we have 19 and 21, so the coming days to be very potential top, and we have great opportunity here. Now we just have to see if it will pay us here, and that could be very nice one for sure. New Zealand dollar, same story, triple cycle, dancing around the top. No false breaks on the 1 hour chart yet. On the 15 minutes, we got two in a row. We got one here, but we still could not get below this low, and we went into the range. So we neither go higher here and rebuild the false breaks on the top, or we are going for a legs like that. One leg here, range, one leg here, and then a break below this low, correction, and then with the correction we are going to try the push down. So we have to follow here, or if we climb for new high, we will be watching for the new false breaks to form on the higher levels. We are in a great zone to dance around here and here, of course, right? We are in a very good place. All this is acceptable place for us to create the opportunity for us as we want. Aussie dollar, same story, still on a triple. Could try one and make one more push towards the 0.76. That's where we want it. Only one false break currently on the 15-minute chart, so we basically wanted to get us one more high, one more false break at least. So we keep an eye on that one as well. Silver climbed and reached what we wanted. No false breaks currently, only here on the 15 minutes, and that's not enough, of course. We have only one, so we are after this triple cycle, and we want one more climb, ideally to above 1720. It could go even a bit higher, further, and that would be acceptable. And by ideal, we maybe even go and create a false break on the 1 hour chart. So as for now, we still want new highs, but we also start to be on a potential sell, sell mode. Or alternatively, if we first of all get two waves down, we are going to look for buys all the way for new highs to be created. The risk reward should be with us in any of these cases. Euro dollar, also we are on a potential sell zone. We wanted to spike here. We wanted to create a false break, which currently did not. So as for now, every two waves down, and we're still in a buy zone. Euro franc, still in a range. This range should be broken. If we break above the high, we should climb and make the like this. Boom, boom, boom. And to continue to play inside a bigger range of the daily. If we break below, that's a concerning sign, and a time to be careful and wait for better setups and opportunities. So we play here safe and watch for these opportunities. It might take some time until they create and develop, but remember, patience was and always will be the key. Do not try to make hero calls. Wait for the right opportunities. It's best not to trade the not safe opportunities rather than do trade them and then regret, and not to trade on the good one when it comes. So patience is a key. Remember that, and respect the market if you want it to respect you back. Enjoy your day. I'll see you in the US session. Yours, Vladimir.